Good morning, everyone. It's Frank from Virtual Vista. Today is, I don't know, what is it, March 24th or 3rd or something like that. I don't know. I'm losing track of days here. But it's day 3 of our statewide lockdown. And unless you're an essential worker, you need to stay in your house. Real estate has been deemed an essential activity by our governor, which means we could still work, but we need to exercise extreme caution to keep our clients safe. Whenever we're going into a house now, we are exercising extreme caution. We're using full protective equipment. I'm wearing this NIOSH approved respirator here to keep myself safe, and also to keep your clients safe, I'm wearing a full Tyvek coverall suit that's disposable. I wear it once and I throw it away. I'm wearing rubber gloves also, so I don't touch anything. My main priority is to keep your clients safe. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can utilize Matterport 3D tours to be able to keep your listing open to the public. You can do virtual open houses using Zoom and Matterport. It's pretty easy. You'll use Zoom like we're using right now. You can also use Google Hangout, whichever you like to use. So what you would do is you would launch Zoom, host a meeting, invite your buyers, anybody interested. And Zoom gives you actually a free, on the free account, you can go for 40 minutes with 100 people. So that's pretty good for most cases, I would say. That's what I'm using, is the free version. So let me walk you guys through a Matterport tour, just like you guys are the buyer and I'm the agent here, okay? So I'm gonna click down here to share my screen. I have my Matterport tour opened up on the other window. Okay, so here's one I just did in Elmhurst for L.W. Reedy. It's on Hill Avenue in Elmhurst. Nice older home in great shape in a great neighborhood. So let me go through some of the features down here first. So here you got the dollhouse view. This you can get a great sense of the spatial layout of the property. You can also turn on and off floors. Okay. We've also got the floor plan view. You can also turn on and off floors with this. And let's see, we're going to go back to the tour option here. And with this, see this, you'll notice this is a matter tag here. I can put these anywhere around the house and highlight different features. Pretty cool. Also, what we can do is right down here, you have a measurement mode. I can measure things. So say you want to know how big this doorway is because you got a big piece of furniture and you want to know if it's going to fit through there. I mean, I'm pretty sure it would, but just for an example, let's go with this one. Click on the measurement mode. Okay. Put a marker on this end, go to this end. Okay, we've got 7 foot 2 inches. So you can do this for any measurement you want to pull out of the house. So let's take a little tour of the house. Here we're in the, let's see here. Here, and we also got the highlight window down here. So I can navigate around the house a few different ways. One of them is the highlight way. I can just click on it'll take me around the house like this. Okay, we're gonna go back to the, so here we are in the kitchen. You'll notice I got some matter tags here. Got a professional 6 burner range with flat top grill. That's a really cool range that you might want to highlight. We got granite countertops. You might want to highlight features like that. Whatever features you want to highlight, just let me know and I could put the tags in there for you. So let's go walk around the house. Look here, we have the so I would just walk around the house, explain the features and the different rooms to your clients, to your buyers. And it's really the next best thing to them actually being there. I've been doing this for about 4 years now. I've done close to 1,000 of them. And I think now more than ever, it's the time for Matterport 3D tours. If you haven't used them, now is the time to start using them. Your clients will look at you as an innovator. Your buyers will be able to keep shopping your listings. Should be a win-win for you. Let's take this tough time and make the best of it. Use the tools that we have available. We are so lucky to be alive in this time where we have so much technology. We've got, I've really been, loving how we can all stay so connected these days virtually. I've actually talked and seen more people in the last few days than I normally ever do. So you just click around on these circles on the floor and you'll move around the house. So here I'm gonna, instead of going down the steps, I'm just gonna hit the floor selector and go back down to the first floor. So that's the Matterport 3D tour for you. If you have any questions or you'd like a private presentation for your team, let me know. I'll be available all week. And I'm here to help you guys. We're going to get through this. Let's just utilize what we have. And, besides the Matterport 3D tours, I'm also doing premium photography, video tours, floor plans, virtual staging. And, if there's something that I did not touch on that you want to hear more about, let me know. Oh, before I go, one last feature. When you have the highlight window open, you can click the play button here, and it will just it'll just go from window to window and navigate by itself. I can also turn on my screen, my QuickTime screen capture and record a video if I wanted to. So that would be a cool way to get even more reach by putting a video out. So, well, that's it, guys. And here, let me close this out so you could. All right. That's it, guys. Again, be safe. But, we got to keep our businesses moving forward, keep this economy moving. We just need to be safe. We need to take care of ourselves and our clients. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 630-478-9955. Connect with me on Facebook. Send me an email. Send me smoke signals, a pigeon, whatever you need to get a hold of me. I'm here for you guys. So be safe. Take care. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.